Okay, so now the moment we've all been waiting for. The plating and the eating of our beautiful steaks with gravy and mushrooms and onions. So here's how we do it. Okay, so on our plate we want to grab one of these beautiful, beautiful steaks. Look at that. It's covered with everything you want here. We'll go ahead and grab some more of these onions. Let's grab some more mushrooms. Add that to the top. And then what we want to do is nab some of those beautiful potatoes. We're going to make a bed right over here so we can add more to it. I like a lot, so go ahead and grab these. See how creamy these are. And we're going to add to it. So we got some great gravy from this side. We're going to bring this over and just kind of move this around. You see how nice and thick that is with the onions in there. And again, I like to add just a little more, maybe mushrooms and onions right on top of this. Fantastic comfort food. This with a salad on the side, this would be fantastic. So bon appetit.